Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you 7 behaviors that make you look weird. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. 1. Constantly avoiding eye contact. Nonverbal communication includes eye contact, which is crucial. It promotes the development of trust, confidence, and interest. Avoiding eye contact might create the impression that a person is unreliable, insecure, or uninterested. The person may also come out as tense or apprehensive. 2. Speaking to yourself aloud in front of others. Speaking to yourself aloud in front of others can make people feel uneasy and uneasy. It may also give the impression that some of you are not present. It might also be interpreted by some as a sign of mental illness. It's recommended to attempt to limit how often you speak to yourself aloud in public and to do so quietly or under your breath. 3. Dressing in an odd or eccentric manner. Expressing oneself through one's appearance is important. Some individuals, nevertheless, go too far and dress in an unconventional or distinctive manner. This may cause them to stand out in a bad way and make those around them uneasy. They could appear to be trying too hard to be unique as a result. 4. Excessive nervous habits like fidgeting or twitching. Nervous habits like fidgeting or twitching can be distracting and can give off the impression that the person is anxious or nervous. They may also give the impression that the person is unprepared or unprofessional. It's best to make every effort to keep these habits under control. 5. Staring intensely or overly intensely. An intense or overly intense stare can make others feel uneasy and can give the impression that the person is intimidating or aggressive. Additionally, it may give the impression that they are cold or hostile. It's essential to make an effort to keep a more relaxed and natural glance. 6. Exaggerating or being overly animated when speaking or gesturing. Exaggerating or being overly animated when speaking or gesturing can be distracting and can give the impression that the speaker is ill-prepared or unprofessional. Additionally, it may give the impression that they are cold or hostile. It's advisable to make an effort to keep your speaking and gesturing as natural and comfortable as possible. It's important to keep in mind that certain people may exhibit certain behaviors that are not a product of free will but rather of a medical condition, such as social anxiety disorder or ADHD. In such situations, those individuals might require professional assistance to alter their behavior. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications just so every time I upload you won't miss anything.